Hi everyone, welcome back to the MEP QAQC Pro channel. And today we are discussing about the material inspection request. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to channels. And those who want to learn about the MEP QAQC engineers, what are the roles and responsibility, you can check out my last previous videos. I have been making so many videos related to the QAQC engineer, how you can take your career in the growth for a mechanical or electrical QAQC engineer. So without wasting time, let's get started. So today we are going to discuss about the material inspection in MEP projects. How you are doing a material inspection, how you guys as a QAQC engineer or a QAQC inspector, how you are going to raise as a material request to the consultant or the client. So today we are going to discuss about material inspection, how you are going to raise material inspection and what is MIR, what is the step to raise an MIR. We will get one example to get your clarifications regarding how you are going to submit the any material inspection for the for your project. Then we will also get to know about the any issues or best practice, how we'll if there's issues, how we can avoid that one issues, and how we can do the best practice to get your MIR approval in the first revision. So material inspection request in MEP project. What is MIR? Material inspection is a formal document used to verify the material delivered to the site comply with the project specification. It ensures the quality control before installation. So whenever the material received at site, you need to ensure that the material is should be as per approved request, as per approved material submittal, and it should align with your project specification. So that is the material MIR definition. And what are the steps for the MIR? How you will submit to the consultant for any material which going to receive or which already received at site. So first, what you have to do is you need to check the material which arrive at site. They should be ensured that it should be matched with the delivery notes, which is also somewhere it is called out a receipt note. Somewhere it is known as a delivery note. So it's depend upon your project how you are saying to that. Then you need to verify the material as per your delivery note, and also align with that you need to verify with your technical submittal which is already approved from the consultant, and also you will check the approved material list and material sample so that you can match the material which arrive at site with the approved material. So this is all about MAP, material inspection request. So what is MIR? As we already discussed, MIR is a formal document which used to verify the materials delivered at site to comply with the project specification. And we need to raise when before going to install. MIR should be raised before installing. We should not install at site before raising MIR. Otherwise, you will get NCR. So, as a QAQC engineer, you must ensure that whatever material you have at site should be approved prior to install at site. Then how you will raise MIR. To raise an MIR, first you will check the material request, then you will check the delivery note, then you will try to match with the you will match with the materials which arrive at site. Then you will check your materials technical submittal. Once everything is confirmed by you, that's this is the perfect materials which is approved by consultant and it's aligned with the approved technical submittal and your project specification. Then you will take the data, then you will come back to your office and you will start preparing the methods, means start preparing your MIR. So for the MIRs, every project have different forms. So that form, like a material inspection form that you need to fill your data. For example, suppose you have received a copper pipe at your site. The first thing what you will check the quality of material. You will check with your technical submitter, which is approved at site. You will check the what standard or what specification shown in the copper pipe, and you will compare with your technical submitter. Then after that, you will take photos of that particular amount of the material which arrive at site or which deliver at site. These things you will check at site. Then you also will check the quality of that copper pipe inside also. Maybe there will be no any dust or maybe nothing is there. You will have to make sure that the materials which sent by the supplier is totally new. It's not like they send you like 2 3 years before the stock to you. So we need to ensure that everything is perfect and fine because we are taking money from the client. So we need to ensure that the material which whatever material we are using at site, it should be new, authentic, approved, aligned with your project. So everything, once you will check everything, you will check also the size of the copper pipe, which size they delivered against the delivery note. Everything you will verify, then you will come back to your office, then you will fill the forms. You also need to take the photo of the material which arrives for your records. Then essentially you will make your reports with attached photo, and after that you will submit to the consultant. In case if the material arrive at site is not as per your approved material sample and it is not aligned with your material technical submittal which is approved from the client and the consultant. So in that case what you will do, I will teach you in the next upcoming session what you have to do in that case. Meanwhile, come back to the topic. So you will practice all this. You will fill the form. You will submit to the consultant for approval. You need to attach the photos, everything's. While I will tell you in the next session, in the next slide, upcoming slide, what are the document you need to attach. Yeah, you verify the materials. You complete the forms. Then document you need to attach. You need to attach the documents like test certificate, delivery note, if the country of origin is there, bill of lading is there, everything you need to arrange and properly you need to attach with your material submittal form. Then after that you will submit to the consultant. This is an example, one of the example here, which I are talking about chill water pipes. Let's see here, the chill water pipe, one of my project, they have this standard ASTM BA. So I need to ensure that the product which is delivered at site, the copper pipe which is delivered at site, or chill water pipe which delivered at site, should have this standard on it. So I need to ensure that's okay. This are the same standard which we are going to install at site. We need to match with the with the technical submitter plus the material which is arrived at site. Then after that check you will complete everything, then you'll fill the forms, you will attach everything as I discussed before, then you will submit to their consultant or client, whoever is your representative on your behalf will confirm that yes, the material is genuine and the perfect as per the project specification. So what are the common issues and best practice we need to do? First, we need to understand what are the issues we are finding during material inspection. As I told you, some material will not match with your technical submittal. That also a common issues whenever the material. And in some technical submittal, there will be document missing. You will find some document will be missing there, which can also lead delay in the submission of MIR. We need to ensure that within 1 or 2 days, all the whatever the material received at site, it should go directly to the consultant directly. We should not take a lead to delay in submission just for missing documents. So we have to force to the supplier to give you all the documents which are required as per your project. So you need to force them to give you all the document in a complete form so that you can get the approval directly from the consultant. And what are the best practice you will do? As a whenever you are raising MIR, first of all, you should know what material is going to arrive in a couple of weeks. You should take some details from your engineers or from the procurement teams. Okay, in the coming months, which other materials are going to arrive at site? So that what you will do in meanwhile, you will cross check the material submittal. You will check the what are the documents are available in there. If there is something is missing or something like expire, the test certificate expire, or the bill of lading, or the any product conformity that expire, or the documents are expire, you will ask the supplier to keep you update until unless the material arrive at site, so that the delay will not be happen at site. At least you will get this that much means document which can lead as to submission of the MIR. So this all the practice if you will do, you will get to know the common issues and the best practice ho- which lead a success for you as a as a QAQC engineer, because material inspection is a top most priority for the project. If you will not get the approval, the installation will be a delay. That delay it will cause to the another delay of other works. So we as a QAQC engineer or inspector, you need to ensure that whatever material arrive at site, you should check in the same time without any further delay, so that the material inspection will go to the consultant on time and you will get the approval on time. So I hope you understand the basic and the comprehensive knowledge about MIR inspection. Most of the people are asking me what are the best practice, how we can lead MIR inspection in the project. So in this way, we will get to know, and you will do the once you will start practicing your, submission, automatically everything will be, easy for you. So do the best practice so that you can understand how the submission is going to your in your project and how you can minimize the delay in your project. So thank you very much, guys. And this is all about MIR inspection. And hopefully, in the upcoming session, you will get more and more details about other topics. And keep subscribe us. And if you have anything, please do the comment in the below sections so that we will understand what are the requirements from all the teams, all the peoples. Because I already got some email or message that they are you guys are asking to do a session for you know for the fresher engineers, how they can start in the QAQC. So they want to learn courses, they want to do some practice from me, and for sure in the future I will start some courses which will help to you guys. Whoever will whoever will come to me to get this practice and the knowledge, for sure I will share with them, and we'll start session one to one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.